Method 1. Restore jailbroken iPhone without a computer via settings. If your jailbroken iPhone is still operational and you don't have access to a computer, the simplest way to undo the jailbreak is by using the built-in reset feature in settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Step 4. Enter your passcode or Apple ID password if prompted. Step 5. Confirm the reset and wait for the device to reboot. Once completed, your iPhone will be restored to its factory settings and the jailbreak will be removed. Method 2. Restore jailbroken iPhone using iTunes or Finder. If you have access to a computer and your iPhone is still operational, restoring it via iTunes Windows macOS Mojave and earlier or Finder macOS Catalina and later is a standard and effective solution. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open iTunes or Finder and select your device icon. Step 3. On the summary page, click Restore iPhone. Step 4. Confirm the action. iTunes or Finder will download the latest iOS version and erase the current system, removing all jailbreak data. Step 5. Once the process is complete, set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. Method 3. Restore jailbroken iPhone via recovery mode. If your jailbroken iPhone is unresponsive, stuck on the Apple logo, or crashing due to failed jailbreak tweaks, recovery mode is a reliable fix. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Step 2. Force your iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until recovery mode appears. iPhone 7 seconds plus, hold volume down plus side button. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold home plus power button. Step 3. Once in recovery mode, choose Restore when prompted. Step 4. The system will erase your iPhone and install the latest iOS version. Method 4. Restore jailbroken iPhone via iCloud.com. If your jailbroken iPhone is still connected to the network and the Find My iPhone feature is enabled, you can remotely erase the device using iCloud.com. This method is suitable for situations where physical access to the device is not possible, or for remotely managing the device if it is locked or lost. Step 1. Go to iCloud.com in a web browser. Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID and click on Find iPhone. Step 3. Select your device from the All Devices drop-down. Step 4. Click Erase iPhone, then confirm the action. The device will be reset to factory settings remotely, removing the jailbreak in the process. Method 5. Restore jailbroken iPhone without data loss. If you want to remove the jailbreak and fix system issues without losing your data, iOS System Recovery is an excellent choice. Unlike other methods, it repairs your iOS system while preserving all your data, making it ideal for users who don't want to start from scratch. Step 1. Install and launch iOS System Recovery on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone to the PC via USB and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click the Start button, and the software will begin detecting any issues with your iPhone. Step 3. Choose your preferred repair mode. Select your iPhone model from the list, and click Repair. Step 4. The software will download the required firmware to fix your iPhone. Once the download is complete, your jailbroken iPhone will be restored to its normal state.